A buzzing noise from an ONN TV typically indicates a hardware issue that can be caused by various factors, including damaged speakers, temporary system glitches, or faulty capacitors. To address this problem, it's essential to identify the root cause. Checking the speakers is a good starting point. Examine them for signs of damage, wear, and excessive moisture. If muting the TV doesn't resolve the issue and the noise persists, it's likely that the speakers are faulty. In this case, consider having the TV replaced if it's still under warranty or purchasing an external set of speakers. Another potential solution is to perform a system restore on the TV by pressing the home button on the remote, scrolling to the settings option, selecting system, then power, and finally clicking system restore to allow the TV to reset. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the capacitor, which involves turning off and unplugging the TV, removing the back panel, locating the circuit board and capacitor, and replacing it with a new one before reassembling the TV.